Siya na kanili.
Two, three. Joe, your turn. Yo. Very good. High five. Handshake. Again. Last. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah, mine. 2. Yeah. Last. High five. High five. Handshake. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Now 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. No, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, very good. Yeah. Very nice. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. My turn. Go. Yo, now mine.
But in South India, mostly they are Sálesian.
No, different like Kerala side and all very strong. Kerala, Bangalore, the CMIs are there. Some parts, Orissa, Chhattisgarh, those areas SVDs are there.
Again? Yes.
Because so many Vincentian priests, they went to this
Mine.
like that, no?
Vincentian mostly they are preaching others, no retreats.
Mostly in the I used to watch that Father Anthony Payapir or something like that. And Father Michael, then that Imphal, the four. They are South Indian. In UK, divide UK. Then another one.
Hey, you'll hold on. Now, Eleanora is in high form. God, wait. You sit. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. Go.
Ellie,
Bye bye.
where?
Bye.
Oh, hi.
Hi, say. Sit there. Hi.
Puss, Ellie, puss.
Pause. Pause. Not like this.
Like kumno.
Okay, like this. Like this.
Tuh, lihat tuh.
Very good.
She's in high form ya.
High five. Handshake. Yes, very good. 1, 2, 3, go. Yes. No more scared, no? No, she's already familiar. Wow. No, she's no more scared. She's already in full form. Huh?
Yeah. Those
Bye-bye.
channel it is working, man.
See you. Say. Yes, see you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Say.
Bye-bye.
Welcome.
Kakak.
Guram ya ka jong kiway, sarong ya ka jong la jong hapit luksa ni kiri.